How does it feel for you to have shaped now your first own surfboard?
Rewarding. It's been a fun process, learned a lot, and I'm really excited to actually get it wet.
How much surf and shape experience you had before you joined the workshop?
Okay, I'm fairly new to surfing, so I only started surfing maybe like 3 years ago, and the last year is when I've really done more. So I'm a new surfer, and I've never made a surfboard before. So this is my very first proper surfboard, and it's the first one I've made. So newbie.
On a level of 1 to 10, how complicated was it for you?
Oof, 2, 3, 4 max is like very easy. Obviously with the others and with Adrian, it's been a very easy process. He's explaining every step, every detail, giving us different options and things. So, but no, I feel like very competent. Like I feel comfortable like trying to give it a go, do another one day. So never know, stay tuned. There might be more.
What was your motivation to get yourself a surfboard made of agave?
Because I've been following you guys for a while, and I do lots of work with like upcycling, and I've been very interested in like the sustainability side of products and the surf industry, I suppose. So when I saw you guys, and I thought, no, this will be my first like real surfboard. So I thought great opportunity to make it from a natural material. I like working with wood and something more sustainable, and they look amazing.
Third, how was your experience to work with the material agave?
Interesting. For me, I work with wood. I've done some carpentry and things, so for me it was very familiar. It's a little bit different from wood, but I think so much more comfortable than working with foam and plastic and things. So it was an enjoyable experience.
And last but not least, what was your highlight of the week?
Highlight, wow, too many. Great group of people, a lot of fun, we enjoyed ourselves. But I think the highlight for me was just seeing how every stage of the process, the board transforms, it becomes much more real every step of the way. So from going from like the shaped agave of the board, then to the lamination, it was like suddenly it felt like you have a real surfboard.